Hey guys, this is Gavin back on this channel, and today is my birthday. I'm now 19 years old. So now I'm gonna be doing my entire fire alarm collection. Even though it's not December and I usually do fire alarm collection videos at the end of the year, but I have gotten a lot of new alarms and pole stations. And a bunch of the ones that I already had at my dad's house has been transferred to here at my mom's house. So I now have a bigger collection than usual. And I might do another one or just an update. In December, when I get more alarms. So yeah, I got a ton of rare alarms. I do not have smoke detectors, but we'll get into that in a minute. Alright, so before let's begin. We're gonna start out with the notification appliances. We're gonna start with the system sensor, and go down to and go from there. Okay, so now first things first. We're gonna start with the system sensor Max. I can't see the model because it's all faded out. Is the older generation. Then you get your Spectral Alert Classic. These are nice alarms. We got my system sensor Spectral Alert Advance P2W horn strobe, okay. And now we have two system sensor L series. For some reason I have two of these. Now, I'm gonna get on my bed. Okay. So now we get into Gentex. We got my Gentex Commander 3 that I got for my 18th birthday last year. And we got my Gentex GX90. And then we got my Siemens UMMT in white. It doesn't say, but I know it's Siemens. Okay, jokes aside. Then we got my Edwards Integrity. Then we got my EST Genesis. And we got my Chime, EST Genesis Chime. Alright, now we move down to Wewak. Alright, first we got my Wewak MT. We got 3 Wewak seaters. These two are horn onlys. I mean, horn strobes. This one's a horn only, and that one is burned out, so I can't really use this. Then we got 3 Wewak NS's. This one is a red one. This is my first one. Then I got 2 of them in white. Then we got my Wewak RSS. Then we got my WeWalk E70 speaker strobe. And we got my WeWalk AS. The older ones from the 90s. Because this one doesn't have the Candela selector for the strobe. I would like to get the newer ones. Alright. Then we got my WeWalk reblended Siemens ZNS. I know I could have put that with the UMMT. But it kind of counts as a WeWalk alarm. So I put it with the WeWalk stuff. Wait. Next up is one of my older alarms. A WeWalk 7002T. And then we get my newest edition, my Form. We rented the WeWalks. I forgot the model. But it is a pretty rare alarm. Especially if it's reblended by Form. So I got that one today for my birthday. Rare alarm. That's a win in anyone's book. Now we got my FCI HP 1400 and 311 15B 5B, if I'm saying the model correctly. This is a rare one, and this is also a rare one, a Simplex 2901-9838. And then we get to my first alarm, which is kind of in rough shape. Simplex 4903-9201. Beaten up, is all taped up because it cracked. I believe the wires are snapped. I don't know if that's a fix or not. Then we got my two Simplex Truets. This one's model is 4906-9127. I believe this is a Snort Sync. I gotta get a Snort Sync one because I really want to hear a Truet. Okay. Now we get my Amsico fire alarm bell. And then we get to the strobe plates, which those are very uncommon. This one is a Simplex. $624-958 strobe plate. It goes with this. Okay, and now we get my Space Age. What is the model? It doesn't say. But it goes with this alarm right here. And then we get this Snoke alarm, which I got at a stage sale. It is a FXWA1. I need 1A. I've been trying to put in new batteries in it, but I can't get this to open. Alright, so yeah. That's all the notification appliances. Now we're gonna move on to the pull stations. Okay, now I'm at all of my pull stations. So now we're gonna pull and reset every single one. Okay, so now, first things first is my Simplex Local Alarm Chevron. Those are not very common. These are actually pretty rare. Okay, it pulls like that, and you take your small Allen wrench. It's gonna be hard to reset this bastard in one hand. Oh, I took the wrong size of Allen wrench. Right, you just open her up like that. Come on. Okay. Here, that one's a pain in the ass to reset. Alright, now, let me get my keys for these next two. Right. We got the Simplex T-Bars. This is the oldest one. The 4251-20. Now, resets with the cat footy key. It originally came with a Simplex B key, but it's still the same thing. It works. Come on. Wait. Alright. And then we get to my first pull station. This is a Simplex 2099-9795. If I'm correct. Okay. Now. Yeah, I'm right. Alright, so now we get my Pyrotronics MS-51. Right. Now, resets with an Allen wrench, which is going to be pretty difficult. Damn it. There's that. Now we get my FCI MS2. I like these. These are one of my favorite pull stations. That one is a bit stiff, so okay, so now you put the switch back up and my Xbox is gonna shut off in 5 minutes. Okay, so and we got my FCI MS6, which is a pain in the ass to pull, and I just did it. I don't like these as much as the MS2, but they're still okay pull stations. Right, and this is my new edition, Gamewell Century. These are not very common. I have been wanting one for a long time. I know pretty much every other collector has one. I don't know if this is a conventional or a addressable version of it. It looks like it is addressable. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, so yep. Takes a little mini flathead screwdriver. Right. Then you'll put the lever back up, and then you'll put the toggle switch back down. Now I'm gonna lock her back up. Now we get my broken 4050-001T. As you can see, I only have one wire to it right now. That sucks. I might gonna have to solder the other wires or just get a replacement. A lot of my older stuff is broken. Yeah. There's that. Now we get my Edwards 270 SPL, the newer one. Now damn it, I ended the video here. Now you lift the toggle switch back down. Okay, so now we get my EST Siga, the 27 8 the 278 Siga. Alright. This is an addressable one. Right. These are nice pull stations. I like these. Alright, next we got my Mercon T-bar. It takes this key to reset. Okay. We got my broken Silent Night pole station. See the mechanism for the lash for the lock is broken off. It's been broken. Okay. We got the model is SD500-PSDA. And there's that. Now we get into Firelight. Alright, next up is my Firelight BG6. Those are rare. I got this back in January off of eBay. Okay. And this with Allen's, but I'm gonna use my fingers. This is one of the oldest pull stations I have. There's that. Now we got my Firelight BG8. When you take the Firelight key, here it is. We're gonna now we got 5 of my Firelight BG10s. Alright, we got the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. Now, this one right here resets with a Allen wrench, which I really don't like these ones. Is if you over tighten the hex screw, it could damage the housing. Just like I think that's what happened to this one. I got 3 of these out of my mom's office back in March. Will you open up? Here we go. I am not gonna reset all of these. I don't want to waste you guys' time. Now, you gotta be careful not to break this. I'm gonna put the camera back down. Alright. I'll reset the rest of these off camera, but this one right here is a Firelight BG10L. So takes the Firelight key. And you open it, and those are so much easier than the ones with the hex lock. Okay, next we got my Firelight BG12. This one is broken. I gotta get a new one. Okay. This is my first BG12. Got this for a Christmas gift from 2017. Oh yeah. Those are nice pull stations. And now I have my single action BG12 from Firelight. Alright, pull down. And now, Yeah, you don't have to flip the toggle switch back up. It's spring loaded and it'll just flip back up automatically once you close the pull station. Okay, now we got my notifier systems and BG1R. Yep. It takes the notifier key. This one right here. Now, this right here is an STI stopper 2. Those are the ones with the siren in it, which the siren's turned off, and I'm not going to demonstrate in this video because it is 10:17 at night, and I do not want to piss off my neighbors or my mom and stepdad. It is my birthday, and I don't want my birthday to be ruined. Okay, so now this is pretty much it for the fire alarm collection. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll hope to see you guys in the next video.